Hello everybody, this is Jeanette. This is going to be a short video. I just want to come on and show you the typewriter that I just spray painted pink. I actually found it at the Goodwill. The price was $6.96, and I just decided I wanted it pink. It was a gray color, so I decided to spray paint pink. I used the Cryline spray paint. I first sprayed it white for the primer, and then I spray painted it pink. I actually used a half a can at each paint. But this is it. This is my project that I want to show you, and I just want to say thank you all for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.